The winter storm coupled with holiday travel means your best laid plans may be getting some last-minute adjustments. And if you're hitting the road, we know you may be leaving the house shortly, so we want you to stay safe. This morning, we're joined by Cassandra Bachik from the Indiana Department of Transportation. Cassandra, can you explain to us how your crews are preparing right now for the storm?
Yes, over the last 24 hours or so, we've been pre-treating our roads with brine solution, which is a mix of water and salt. So that should hopefully help a little bit with the road conditions when the precipitation first starts. But we've also just been preparing all of our equipment, which includes our big yellow trucks, but we've also been putting plows on our pickup trucks as well, so that we can have them out, also helping plow some areas as needed.
We have been showing video of that winter storm we saw in February. As Midwesterners, we're used to the snow, but what advice do you have for people who may risk the drive today or tomorrow?
Yeah, we definitely want people to plan extra time to get to their destination. Definitely plan to take it slow out there, probably slower than what posted speed limit signs are saying that they could be going on that roadway. We want people to definitely have a winter preparedness kit in their vehicle. At minimum, they should have their phone and charger, food, water, blankets, and a full tank of gas just in case they run into any issues.
Any final reminders you have for our viewers right now?
If they can stay home, definitely do. If they do need to be out, alert someone to what your plan of travel is going to be, and that way, someone knows where you might be in case you run into trouble as well.
Cassandra Bachik, thanks so much for joining us from the Indiana Department of Transportation.